The nuclear reactor at Purdue University may be small, no more than 10 kilowatts. But this is the little reactor that could change the world. It is in the vanguard of a big transformation for its much larger cousins.
This type of facility hasn't been seen before in the nuclear space.
The PUR-1 reactor, now in its 58th year, is outfitted with fully digitized instrumentation and control. It's a first in the U.S.
It gives us additional way of monitoring and analyzing the condition of nuclear power plants. That was not possible before.
Reactor supervisor Clive Townsend showed me how the updated control panel gives operators much greater situational awareness. Is it more information than you could have gleaned from the analog system?
It certainly is. I have an infinite number of screens that I could put in. I can have high-level information and then allow the operator to dial into that as necessary.
We want to demonstrate that this system is reliable, safe, and can do much better job than the analog systems.
Almost a decade in the making, the $1.2 million digitization of PUR-1 was funded by the Department of Energy and approved by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. It comes in the nick of time for PUR-1, and the reasons are gathering dust on storeroom shelves. This is quite a timepiece. It's like a little time capsule here, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Clive showed me some of the old analog equipment. It was totally tubular.
If I tip this up, like so, you can get a look at the bottom of this. Every joint here is hand soldered.
This is like an inspiration for Rube Goldberg right here,
exactly
right? Isn't it? If they hadn't upgraded, they would have had to decommission PUR-1, a valuable educational tool for students here.
You read about all these components in your books, but it's nice to see how it actually works in real life and get the chance to use it.
That's why I am where I am. It's because of this reactor.
A digital reactor makes it possible to extend the educational and training potential far beyond West Lafayette. But bringing a nuclear reactor online in the virtual world carries its own set of risks. The threat of cyber mischief is on their minds here as well.
We create new vulnerabilities, but we can create cyber-physical protection systems to build on the old safeguards and protect them in ways that are invulnerable to the dangers of connectivity.
They believe the pros outweigh the cons, that digital reactors, big data analysis, and ultimately artificial intelligence will lead to safer, more efficient atomic power in the future.
If we had a very intelligent data analytics or artificial intelligence system that can tell us, okay, in this scenario, it may be best to go to this route, then of course human can make a judgment and decide. It can reduce, I think, significantly the error that human can make.
PUR-1, it seems, is the perfect place to push nuclear power from its analog past into a digital future. For Purdue University, I'm Miles O'Brien.